Right. Let's say today we have discussed about the chemical effect of electricity. Electricity shows different effects. We have already discussed about heating effect, lighting effect, and magnetic effect. What's the chemical effect of electricity? What is the chemical effect of electricity? Chemical changes made on metals or solutions. Chemical changes made on metals or solutions or in liquid is the chemical effect of electricity. Right? Then here, listen to me. When we think about the chemical effects, I will explain something later. Having taken a beaker or a container, having taken a beaker or a container, we can right? We can put some ionic solution like copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate solution. In this copper sulfate solution, it contains copper metal, you know, Cu copper metal, and sulfate and hydrogen or something. Both copper metal. And here listen to me. Then it is inserted so two metals or graphite rods. They must be two conductive rods. Two conductive rods. Here actually it is used graphite rods. Graphite rods means carbon rods. Here graphite rods. Graphite means carbon. Graphite rods. Having connected these two graphite rods, it is supplied electricity. It is supplied electricity by source of electricity means a dry cell or a battery. Then here, one dry cell or two dry cell. Here, this is the negative terminal of the dry cell. Here, the positive terminal of the dry cell. Then this is the part. Here it passes electricity. Here it passes electricity. This electricity generated by this dry cell passes through this conductor, and this is the conductor through which the electricity entered the solution. Through which the electricity entered the solution. This electricity, it is the rod through which electricity entered the solution. And this electricity travels from here to here, and this electricity comes out from the solution by this rod, this rod. Capital I is the symbol for electricity. Okay. Then this rod, this rod are the conductors, conductive rods, through which electricity enters to the solution and electricity comes out through the solutions. So it is known as electrodes. They are electrodes. Electrodes. Then here this is carbon electrode or graphite electrode. Carbon electrode or graphite electrode. it is possible to be used any conductor, copper, aluminium, silver, gold, any conductor can be used. Then they are known as electrodes. They are the electrodes. They are electrodes. They are electrodes. Then this is the chemical solution. This is the chemical solution which make changes due to effect of the flow of electricity. This is the chemical solution which make changes due to effect of the flow of electricity. So this solution is known as electrolyte. Electrolyte. Copper sulfate is only one of the electrolyte. Copper sulfate is one of the electrolyte. There are a number of electrolytes. Sodium chloride solution, copper sulfate solution, copper nitrate solution, sodium sulfate solution, acid solutions, acidic water, acidified water means water with some acids. They are different conductive solutions. Those conductive solutions through which electricity pass in the system, which get subjected to chemical changes, is the electrolyte. This is the electrolyte used here, copper sulfate. Right? Here the electrolyte used here, copper sulfate. That's okay. Then graphite is the carbon. Some books it is named as carbon electrode. Definitely carbon electrode is graphite electrode. Carbon has number of forms. Allotrophs, carbon soot, carbon diamond, carbon coal, carbon charcoal, carbon graphite. Only the graphite is the conductor. All other forms of carbon are not conductors. They are conductors. Then these are the parts. When it is here, this is the negative terminal of the battery or cell. This is the negative electrode. Here name electrode, negative electrode. Electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery is the cell, is the what? Electric electrode. Here positive one. Here the positive terminal which connected to the positive end of the dry cell. It is positive electrode. Positive electrode. Then in negative electrode, metals, copper metal. Copper metal. Hydrogen positive ion, hydrogen. Then this is the reaction. Because you are grade 8, I will not explain it deeply, but I will share you the observations only. Then the copper metals present in the solution deposit on this metal, this electron. Copper metal what present in the solution deposit on this end. This end. Okay, copper metal temperature. This copper metal come and what deposit here. Copper metals deposit here. Copper deposit. Okay, copper metals deposit. Then here this is the one. Then other one here what positive terminal. Then here what colorless gas bubbles come out. Colorless gas bubbles come out here. Colorless gas bubbles come out here. It come out colorless gas bubbles. Okay, colorless gas bubbles come out here. Then here listen to me. In this our what activity, here one of the change. Because it made the change. From the solution, the gas formed. From the solution, copper atoms are formed. That means solution like copper atom. The solution is gas atom. That means solution got chemically changed. That's the chemical effect of electricity. That's the chemical effect of electricity. The name for this process is electrolysis. It is electrolysis. The name for the process is electrolysis. Name for the process is electrolysis. Right? That make a venutamang I kaladano what? Another solution. Copper sulfate. Instead of copper sulfate, I put here acidulated water. Acidulated water. That means to pure water, few drops of sulfuric acid is added. Few drops of sulfuric acid. That means here water is present, sulfuric acid is present. Sulfuric acid. This is the acidulated. Then here, when it is passed electricity through this acidulated water, as earlier, what electricity pass through it. Electricity pass through it. Then here, what? Right. When it is the negative here, negative end, then it is the positive end. Positive end. These two are graphite rods. Graphite rods gets not dissolved. Copper rods dissolve, gold rod dissolve, silver rod dissolve, aluminium rod dissolve. Graphite gets not dissolved. Graphite then here, from here, from the positive negative end, it comes out, bubbled out, colorless gas. From the positive end, it comes out colorless gas in this section. Then the gas come out from here is hydrogen gas. Gas come out from here is oxygen gas. That's it. That's the activity to be conducted or done. Then here, take your hand out, turn page number 19 to this paper. Name the two rods as graphite rods or carbon rods. Name it graphite rods or carbon rods. Acidulated water. Around here, acidulated water. Here, graphite rod or carbon rod. Here, electrolyte is the acidulated water. Electrolyte. Electrolyte means common name, okay? Graphite electrodes and electrolyte acidulated water. Yeah. Observation. First one, first one. First one, the
first activity again.
First one. First one. On the observation, first one. A kind of colorless gas bubbles evolved out. Evolved. A kind of colorless gas bubbles evolved out. A kind of colorless gas bubble evolved out at negative electrode. Second one, a kind of colorless gas bubble evolved out at positive electrode. Evolved out at positive electrode. Right. Two observations are completed. Conclusion. අපේ තීරණය. First stammer. Colorless gas bubbles come out. Colorless gas bubbles come out. From acidulated water. From acidulated water. Due to effect of nothing as result of due to effect of nothing as result of any chemical change happen. Any chemical change happen. Any chemical change happen in the solution. Any chemical change happen in the solution. When passing electricity through it. 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 Aluchedeyak nivara. It means electricity makes chemical changes on solutions. Oh, electricity makes chemical effect. And electricity has chemical effect. Go to the sentences given at the end of the page. It means that it makes chemical change associated with carbon rods. This phenomenon is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis. One use of this practice is electroplating. One of use of this practice is electroplating. Here, I will change this system to illustrate electroplating simply. Here, electroplating, plate karna. Here, what? Plating of gold on this by electricity. This means here what? Copper, silver, art. If your mother has copper chain, you can plate it with what? Gold. If your mother has iron chain, you can plate it gold. That is electroplating. I will explain what are the instances. How does it? Then it has what electrolyte and electrodes and electricity. As a negative terminal, negative, all the metals for positives, all the metals have positiveness, electropositiveness. ඒ කියන්නේ විද්‍යුත්මය වශයෙන් positive තමයි metals. Non-metals negative. එහෙනම් then this is the what? Terminal. Here the terminal. Here the terminal which is connected to the negative plate. Negative plate. Yeah, it is connected to negative end. To the negative end, we connect the article to be plated. අපට රත්තරන් ගන්න ඕන, තම ගන්න ඕන, ඕ මෙටල් එකක් ගන්න ඕන එක අපි නෙගටිව් එන්ඩ් එක නම article to be plated. This is article to be plated. Yeah, acidulated water cannot be used. If this is your mother's ring, it must be plated gold. Then the solution must contain gold. Gold solution. Gold solution. Actual gold cyanide. Gold solution is the electrolyte. Then the gold atoms, gold particles deposit on it. Then this get plated with gold. Then you make it but here the solution gold, so it plate gold on it. So there must be a piece of gold and after then this gold get dissolved. Now here methane now here gold, piece of gold, piece of gold, piece of gold. When passing, it is very important. The solution must gold solution. Make copper sulfate to them, make copper calculum, copper thermopathy, copper gal, copper plating, gold plating, zinc plating. Metal zinc solution metal zinc zinc metal copper solution copper gold solution gold usually we paid gold on articles, copper on articles, silver on articles, nickel on articles, zinc on articles. Zinc කියන්නේ ලෝහයක්. zinc ගාන එකට කියනවා galvanization. Zinc galvanization. ඔයාලා ගෙදර තියෙන යකඩ පයිප් වල දාපෙන්නේ GI පයිප්. GI කියන්නේ iron. G කියන්නේ galvanized. Zinc ආලේප කරපු iron pipe. Galvanized iron pipe. Galvanized iron sheets. කටුකම් galvanized what? Wires. මොකද galvanize කරන්නේ? මලකට ගන්න එකේ වලාකුළු. ඒක මෙහෙම තමයි කරන්නේ. මේකේ යකඩ පටේ ඇමුවා මෙතනට. It is connected the iron tube pipe here. It is used the zinc part and zinc solution continuously zinc it get plated this. Then this is the plating of metal by electricity. So it is known as electroplating. 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 Tin plating. PTT. Milk powder tins. Containers have lined with plated yellow color metal inside and outside. That yellow color is the tin. This is iron vessel, iron container. It has coated tin, plated tin, electroplating, plating tin metal on iron vessels. Tin, it is in biscuit tin, played in zinc metal on iron materials, played in gold on jewelries, other metal jewelries, played nickel on bicycle handles or something, nickel. That's the electroplate, plating of metal on other surface by electricity. Plating of metal on other surface by electricity. විදුලිය භාවිතා කළා වෙනත් surface එකක flat metal ගානේ. Then now listen to me. Easy is the thing, right? They are what here on the. Then this must be the gold piece of gold. Piece of what? Here the article to be quoted. Article, jewelry. So article to be quoted. ඒක ඕන එක. ඕනේ. යකට පයිප්පයක් වලල්ලා මුද්දක් ඕන දෙයක්. අපේ goal solution. When the goal solution goal is electricity pass the negative and positive. Always you have to put article at the negative. Okay, right. Then we. What is electroplating? What is electroplating? Plating of the coating of the plating of a metal on other surface with effect of electricity is electroplating. Here I'm going to plate this ring by copper metal. So I put a copper solution here. Then what should be the piece of this metal? Gold, iron, copper, or something. What should be? Go. What should be the metal here? What metal? Yes, copper. Copper. It must be copper. Okay, then. Name these parts here: copper piece, copper metal. Here article to be plated, and the solution must be named as copper sulfate solution. Your handout must be amended as this. Right. Draw it as this. Under the picture, there are few lines. Write down this under the picture. Pass electricity to the system. To the system. Unobserved changes. Observation. First one. Article got coated with reddish brown color material. Reddish brown color material. Next point. Piece of copper connected to the positive end dissolved. Dissolved. Third one. Blue. What is the color of the copper surface solution? Blue color. Blue color of the electrolyte, the blue color of the solution. Blue color of the solution maintained constant, not unchanged. Maintained unchanged. Maintained unchanged. Those are the observations. After written the observation, go to upper part to write the instances where this electroplating takes place. You know, plating of gold jewelries, plating of copper or silver jewelries, plating of copper or silver jewelries with gold. Next one. Plating of tin metal. Plating of tin metal. Plating of tin metal on iron containers, iron vessels. Iron vessels. Plating of nickel, NiCl nickel on iron bars, BARS bars. Bicycle handle again. Plating of zinc metal on iron objects. On iron objects. within bracket, that process is known as galvanization. That process is known as galvanization. Okay. Conclusion. Antima vakya. Conclusion. Last sentence of the page. Conclusion. Electroplating can be made, can be done, or can be made as chemical effect of electricity, 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 when passing electricity through the solution. When passing electricity through the solution. Right. Okay, thank you for your findings. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.